Hello YouTube, this is Kak. I'm going to be showing you guys my rocket launcher. Yeah, this is a full view of it. Yep. It's I think it's like a 2-inch PVC pipe. Okay, I'm going to show you the features. This is just a whole bunch of paper, not paper, just like board paper put together with the toilet paper tube in the middle. Then I duct taped it on. It's actually really sturdy. And then in the front, I'll show you what it shoots out. It shoots out this, like 1.5 inch, fits in there perfectly. You guys are probably wondering, how in the world does it stay in there? Okay, see this back right here? Okay, it comes off. Take that back off, and there's a tube right here. There's a tube. You take that tube, and then you light this, and then you shove it in, and then the person behind you shove this in here just barely so it doesn't fall out. And they get the back, you put it in the back, and shoot it. I showed you in my other video how to make this rocket. You just put a whole bunch of little rockets together, about 15, 12 is fine. Just so it's about this big. So it's in a cardboard tube that's not really reusable. I use this for airsoft because I stuck pellets inside of here, and then I just stuck like firecrackers in here. So when it shoots out, it's gonna hit the firecrackers, like 20 firecrackers. It's gonna blow this up, then the pellets are gonna shoot out. Then that's how I made my rocket. So you light it, stick it in here, quickly put it in this awesome tube that I made, and shoot. It's not only just for these big rockets. You can take just 5 bottle rockets, 6 bottle rockets, and tape them together, put them in a tube, then put them in a time together, and put them in a tube this big, but it won't go as far. This one will hurt. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.